So the vast majority of people investing in crypto lose, don't make money. As crazy as that sounds, with like, I think 150,000 new Bitcoin millionaires being printed daily at the moment with everything that's happening, it does lead me to want to do a video to talk about the best time to sell in the crypto space. Let's get to it. So obviously this is a pre-recorded video. I say obviously as if you would know that, but it is. It's probably best to start on CoinMarketCap to give a bit of context as to why I'm making this video. The total market cap of crypto globally is up 1.08% and now stands at $2.74 trillion. Bitcoin has just today, at the time of recording, recently printed a new all-time high of $73,600 and few dollars. It's currently standing at 72,306.55. It's up 0.62% in the past 24 hours. So look, I expect this to rally on again. In true Bitcoin fashion, it's what it's been doing. Kind of gets to a new all-time high, pulls back slightly, and then goes on an absolute tear until something changes. That's kind of the expectation. But look, a lot of people are not successful in crypto. A lot of them see their portfolio go right up, and on paper they've made lots of money, but then they watch it all go back down, perhaps even lower than what they actually purchased the crypto at. And this really, for me, leads me to make this video to sort of walk people through how to actually be successful in the crypto space. A lot of people spend so much time hyper-focused, in fact, on how to get involved in cryptocurrency, but less, I guess, focused on how they exit making a profit. And for me, this is all about having a plan. But before we get into all of that, let's put some context around why I'm making this video. We've got inflows for the Bitcoin spot ETF. Have just recently recorded a $1 billion inflow amount for a single day, which is just phenomenal. And in very much the start of everything, really. We're still super early. Now, we got Grayscale spot Bitcoin ETF market share falls to 50%. Mainly, I guess, in my opinion anyway, because the amount of money that BlackRock are pouring into Bitcoin. And then obviously we've got Bitcoin eyes $74,000. Obviously, as the ETFs record net inflows of over $1 billion in a single day. So look, the context that I'm giving you here is this is very different to all the historical bull markets, bear markets that we've seen, in the past. And normally in either the lead up or just after the Bitcoin halving, we see a bit of a pullback. So it leads me to question whether now is a good time to sell and take a bit of profit off the table. Now, the way that I operate in this crypto space, and, I am one of the few people that actually makes money in the crypto space. We made an awful lot of money in the previous cycle, and my current portfolio is at an all-time high. I purchased Bitcoin at $15,836. Our members at 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗧𝗐.io, link in the description, get access to see what I'm buying, when I'm buying it, as I'm buying it, and same when I'm selling. So, all of that information is logged in the members area of the Discord. So go check that out if that is of interest. Obviously, we do trading signals, project reviews and ratings and much more. But less about that and more about where I'm going. It's all about having a plan. Now, the way I operate in the crypto space is I dollar cost average into the market. I also dollar cost average out on the green days. So I buy in on the red pullback days, dollar cost averaging in, and I dollar cost average out in the bull run when we're seeing new all-time highs like what we're seeing with Bitcoin, I dollar cost average out. This guarantees me some opportunities to double dip when the price reaches a new all-time high, and I might come out of it. It retraces, which we've been seeing recently, and we can see that being printed here. We actually pull up Bitcoin. You can see once it loads up, we went all the way up here, and then we're coming back down. We went to 72,130. I could have sold up here, hypothetically speaking, and bought back in down here. So look, dollar cost averaging out of the market is really, really good. It's worked successfully for me. Am I going to sell the absolute top? No. But this is just, one way to do it. And obviously I have targets. So it's all in the planning, right? If I purchase an altcoin or a cryptocurrency, I have a plan for, right, okay, I anticipate, let's use Cardano's ADA, for example. I bought in at 20 cents, just hypothetically speaking, pulling figures out of the air. And I'm going to sell at $3. So when it gets to $3, that's my goal. It's done, right? Or you could have a portfolio and you could have an aspirational figure that's realistic. And if that figure comes in, you just sell it all and you don't look back. A lot of people get sort of caught up in the greed of it all, and they fail in this, investing market, because they get too greedy. They're either waiting for the very bottom to buy the absolute cheapest price, or they are looking to sell the absolute top. And these people fail pretty much all of the time. There's way less than 1% of people that are successful doing that, right? So, for me, dollar cost average in, dollar cost average out, but have targets and goals. And if any of those are met, just have the bollocks to go and, basically come out of the market. It doesn't matter what people think about your decisions, as long as you're happy with what you put in and what you got out. That is my opinion on it. Anyway, I really did want to put this video together because I think that a lot of people fail to make money in the crypto space, and we've got so much knowledge, both Nick, myself, JB, and our team. So definitely worth jumping down into our free Discord and have some more meaningful conversations with us, the team, and the community as well. It's a fantastic community. Now, not only that, we do private rounds, seed rounds. We've got Minutes Network, which is an absolute monster of a project that we have a private round for as this video is out. I would encourage people to jump into the Discord and look at this. I do think Minutes Network, and you can clip this. I said the same about Matic in 2020. I think that this Minutes Network will go on to become a blue chip project in crypto, and getting in private rounds and seed rounds in this sort of market condition is phenomenal and is a great way to make, good substantial gains, in my opinion. But I'm not a financial advisor. I treat this purely as entertainment purposes only. Always go away, do your own research before making any investment decisions. Investing in crypto is risky, and you do risk losing all of your money and all that wonderful stuff. There's nothing wrong with actually trying to find an actual financial advisor to support you make the correct decisions for you. Everybody as individuals are different ages, different earning, incomes and so on. So, what's right for one is not right for another, and not all opportunities are for everyone. And there will be many opportunities in the future. So, never FOMO in is kind of the point that I'm poorly trying to articulate. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope that it brought some sort of benefit to you in some way. If it did, do mash up the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.